we're now going to create some simple railings, and we're going to leverage the use of components that we've already created. Remember, components, editing a component modifies every instance of that component. I'm going to start with the landings. Let's go ahead and explode this group that we previously grouped, so we can select the landing directly here. We have another instance of it here. Might as well explode that as well. So now this is a group of treads that is a landing, two of which exist in this model right now. So I'm going to draw around the perimeter, the outside perimeter of this landing. I'm going to create a 42-inch railing by selecting the outside edges. There are three of them. Notice they're selected in both. I'm going to offset them by 2 inches. And then I'm going to draw a line to close the shape that we've created here on either side to make sure that it's a closed shape. Now that surface is selectable. Now watch what happens when I extrude it to a height of 42 inches. Notice both landings now have a 42-inch entity around them. I can change the material of that entity to be glass or metal or some other type stuff. Let's go ahead, and close that component. And now I'm going to select an individual tread and add balusters to it. Remember, this was made a group before. I'm going to explode that group so we can more easily select an individual tread. I'm going to double click it to open it. And here I'm going to draw a couple of square shapes, square profile shapes, say 2 by 2 inches there, 2 by 2 inches there. Notice how every instance of that component starts to become updated. And then I'm going to put one at about, starting at about the midpoint . I'll eyeball it for now. 2 by 2, and do the same. Let's see if we can infer alignment. 2 by 2 there. So we have 4 squares. I'm going to select all 4 of the faces that we just created and extrude those to a height of 36. They're going to serve simply as balusters. Railing on stairs are typically between 34 and 38 inches, so I'm going to extrude them to 3 feet. Push, pull. Oops, we've deselected them. Let's select those surfaces again. 2, 3, 4. Push. Well, we'll do one by one. 36 inches. And that one did 36. You can simply double click the others. So now each tread has 2 balusters on it, and the balusters are created on every instance of that tread. Let's stop there.